Right folks, this is how cold it is this morning. Look at this. We have a frozen water bottle in the car. Now I was going to go and fly the drone today folks. I learned how to get some footage on it. Yes bro, I've actually learned to do it. I managed to put the app on the phone here and get it switched on and everything. So we've got it sorted out how to get footage on the drone. So quite excited by that. The only thing is folks, it's so cold that you know what, our phones are like, they go off in the cold. So I don't know how long it's going to last today. Might just go and have a little play with the drone, but we'll see what happens. Right, let's go and see what's going to happen today folks. We have to do the car windows before we do anything now. Goodness me. Right folks, I've come out here to Dawson Park. We're going to give the drone a quick footage test. So let's hope this works. You just clip the phone into here, you rig the thing up together, you connect the Wi-Fi settings up, and hopefully we should get some good footage here folks. Let's go. All the best to me, Jake. Here we go. Folks, well, that was a complete bummer. Doesn't seem to be any power in the batteries at all. They just seem to take off in like a 3-seconder and then just went down again. So for some reason, I knew that was going to happen, man. There seems to be some sort of problem with the LEDs on the batteries. Oh, so annoying. Right, we'll go back and try it again, folks. Right, folks, now I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes, sucking my bottom lip, when the lights come on the USB down the bottom here. Now, it says in the instruction manual, when the light comes on, that is it, charged up and ready to go. Okay. Or is it the other way around? Does it mean when the light goes off, it's... Oh, I can't remember. I'm sure it said when the red light goes... Is it red light goes off? Hang on, I'll read John's text. Right, folks, now, after reading John's text, it says when the red light comes on, that means the battery is charged. So, and that's only been on for about, what, 5 minutes at the very most, folks? So we're going to go and see if we can fly the drone now. Come on, let's do this. Happy again. Well, much disappointment, folks. Much disappointment. The batteries just don't seem to be lasting at all. So it's either a question of maybe buy some new batteries, or I don't know. I need to find out. I need to give John a call, see if he's maybe just used the batteries too much on this and the batteries are totally dead and we have to actually buy new batteries. Maybe that's what it is. So it's all talking, no action today, folks. This is Tuesday. We're back at work. I've got to go and get shoelaces, man. My shoelaces, they're all knotted in funny places because, you know, when you untie them, it's just a... So I must go and get shoelaces right now and something for tea. Probably just get a roll and put some cheese on it. That'll do. Okay. Folks, I had to ask where shoelaces were. Look, and they're in aisle 11. Right, folks, this has got to be the strangest shopping ever. Look, we have Kit Kats, normal, and also chunky. Oh, we have chocolate which has been dropped but has been recovered. Nice Lindlights for Rosie. We have a couple of rolls. Yes, that's finished my tea. We have pack of wine gums. We have another pack of wine gums. We have a tin of pineapple rings. Yes, indeed. We have a Kinder Egg. Yes, great stuff. And we also have Mr. Muscle drain blocker. That's for the shower. And what's this? Oh, shoelaces. There it is, folks. I think that's shopping complete. Yes, so there is. Probably one of the strangest shoppings I've ever done, folks. As you can see, it's very weird indeed. So, folks, I've just come in as a package for Jag from Amazon. I haven't bought anything from Amazon, have I? And it's up the stairs with Brenda, my neighbour. Right, I'll go and chap on her door. Come on, we're getting a parcel, man. Right, we're going to see what she's up to. Brenda! Brenda! We're going into our number, folks. Going up to the very top of where I live, folks. Don't think I've ever taken you up here before, have I? So look, we're getting up higher. We're up right at the top. It's right over. And here we are at Brenda's flat, which is in. Right, let's see what is in it. Let's see what is in it. Ooh, something close. What do you think? Let's slice this one. We've got boxes in. Yes, enough. Right. Always close enough. This is it. Oh, what on earth's this? Somebody sent me a helicopter, man. Hey. Oh, crikey. Tactical. What? Who on earth sent this, man? Right, who sent this? Come on, who was this? There's nothing. I don't even know who it's from, man. Hey. Oh, my goodness me. Whoever sent that, that is just absolutely awesome, man. Oh, man. Remove active. Oh, it's got a winch and everything. Oh, my lord. What is this? It's got a carry case and everything. Oh, man. Who on earth sent this, man? There's no message or nothing. Listen, whoever sent that, man, that's over the top, but thank you very much. Whoever sent that, I'm going to take care of this one. Be careful with this one. Do it in an open space. Honestly, there's the room down the stairs, actually, the cellar. It's been totally cleaned out. It used to be the bin area. There's nothing in it now. It's totally empty. Really good for acoustics. The only thing is it's not particularly high, but I could maybe use that, but oh man, there's no message or anything, is there? There's a message in the box. I'll have a look in the actual box itself. No, oh, is there a message here? Is there a message? Oh no, it's not. I thought it was there for a minute. No, but look, that's it. No, there's no message in it. Well, listen, I'll check my emails to see if anybody's maybe sent me a message, but that is just absolutely fantastic. Whoever that is, I'm lost for words. For once, I am lost for words. Whoever that is, man, that's just very, very thoughtful, very kind. Spot on, man, that is spot on. Whoever that was, fist respect, doing. Thank you very much indeed. I'll need to find out who that was, man. It's got LEDs, gyrotech, working. Oh, it's got a winch. Oh man, it's got a winch. Awesome. Oh, 14 plus, 14 plus. Excellent. What does it do? Infrared control. Oh, I need batteries. Okay, I've got batteries. Multiplayer, fly with up to 2 players at the same time. Flight range, flies up to 8 meters. 3 channel, fly up, down, forward, back. Gyro technology. Auto stability for beginner friendly precision controls. Excellent LED lights. Safety blades. Spares included. Speechless. Okay. I shall find out who that was. What a surprise. That was, I thought it was, you know, when I seen the box, I thought it was going to be something like a t-shirt or a top or, you know, something. I didn't expect that at all, man. Whoa. Look at this. We're going tech crazy, man. We've got drones, we've got helicopters. Look. Hey. Excellent. Thank you. So there it is, folks, the Hawaiian burger. I'm just talking, it's okay. About my Hawaiian burger. Look at that, pineapple, cheese, tomato sauce, and a couple of burgers there, folks. Look at that. Mmm, delicious. Well, folks, who needs McDonald's, eh? And you've got this. Hawaiian burger, fries, mayo dip and tomato relish dip, Diet Coke. There we go. Fantastic. Right folks, we've got a Kinder Egg surprise now as well to finish off my team. My Hawaiian burger, it was okay, man. It was a bit mushy to eat, kind of disintegrated on me, but it was alright. Yep. I wouldn't have again in a hurry. 2 pineapple slices, a lot of cheese, and I think it was just a one-off. I mean, I loved it back in the day. I used to eat them all the time, but oh goodness me. Anyway, here we go. We're into the Kinder Egg, folks. Look, ooh, look at that. And there we go. No, I don't really like the chocolate. Let's try it. I'd love to see how these are made. Must be a machine that goes along and then drop in, and then they must. See, anyway, right, we're here to see what we've got. Oh, here it is, folks. What have we got? What have we got? Tell me what I've got, folks. What have I got? Was it a car? Oh. It is indeed a car, I think, is it? Oh yes, it's in half, but if we slide it together, that should produce a motor. There we go. Brum, brum. Oh, it's like an old Capri or something. Brum, These things move here. What do these do? Nothing. Right, okay. So is that it then? Just a car? Yeah, it's a bit disappointing. I thought we had, something, we get a good thing in there, don't you? So what have we to do? Oh, is there a pinger? Is there a pinger? You can get a pinger to put the cars in? I don't know, is there? Oh, I get it. You can mix and match the bodies on the cars, man. That's what you do. I think that's what the whole idea is anyway, I think. Download the free Magic Kinder app. Oh, should we try that? Where's my phone? Oh, there it is. Yeah, very good, Jag. Yeah, I believe there's, it looks like there is some sort of thing you can put them in and they ping out. Am I right in thinking this? Maybe I have to download the app to find out what's going on. But there we go, that's what I got, folks, was a car. A bit disappointing, but nevertheless. Rum. Yeah. Focus. There we go. There it is.